Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. Now we will see some tricks that are provided in the numpy in order to create the array and some slicing techniques and some of the techniques that are very useful while creating the arrays. First of all, I'm going to open the Python interpreter, or you can even use any Python IDE or even online platforms. Here import numpy as np. Then first one is if you want to print any arrays depending upon certain conditions, that we can directly print by using this technique. For the example, I'm going to create one array a equals to np dot array, and here this is just a one-dimensional array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is the old method of creating the array. Now we will use just a short method, np dot array, np dot range, and here I need to give 10 values so that it will directly create that. Now if we check, it is 0 1 2 3 up to 9. Instead of writing like that, we can use this. And now what I'm going to tell means, if you want to print the certain elements of this array depending upon certain conditions, then that we can easily do by print. And print is a function, and here I need to tell what are the conditions. First of all, I need to tell the array which array I'm going to do that operation. So print a, if you just type like this and if I click enter, it will just print the a. So now here print a of, here I need to tell the condition. For example, a of that means this is the array name, array. In that array, now I want to print the elements which are less than 4. Then I can just tell a is less than 4. Now if you click the enter, you can see 0 1 2 3. In this way we can just easily print the array. So and even we can just return this. For example, b equals to a. I think we will check whether it's possible or not. A is less than 4. Now if we check the b, it is array of 0 1 2 3. Like this we can create even the new array depending upon certain conditions. Print a is greater than or equals to 4. Any conditions you can give here, it will return us that array. And the next thing is that the slicing technique, slicing and the indexing. It is similar to that what we learned in the list. For example, now I have the a is 0 1 2 3 and indexing is like a of 3. Then it will just give us the 3, 0 1 2 3. It's similar to the list. And even in the slicing also, if I want to create the new array by using the slicing technique, for example, b equals to b equals to a, which is starting from 0. That means this first index, 0th index, to some 0 1 2 3 4, 4th index. Then I can just use here 4. Then if I click the if we check the b, then this array of 0 1 2 3. In this way we can use even the slicing. For example, if it is 0, if it is 2 to 6, 2 to end, at the end I need to just leave this blank. And now if I check, it is 2 to 9. And even we can use 2 to 8, and here 2. We will check whether it will going to work or not. 2 to 8 and here 2, that means the step size is 2. Now if we check b, it is 2 4 6. It's also working. The slicing is similar to the list what that we learned. And the next thing is that vstack and the hstack. That means the vertical stack and stacking means it's like if I have like one box here and I'm going to store another box on it and another box on it, like stacking. It is like a concatenating in vertical way or in horizontal way. That we call that as a hstack. Vstack and the hstack. For example, if I have we will going to redefine this array a equals to np dot array of for example 1 comma 2 comma 3, or you can even use a range. Okay, then b equals to, okay, here I'm going to have b equals to np dot arrange 1 2 3 and 4 5, okay, 4 5 and 6, yeah, sorry, yeah, 4 5 6. Now by using this np dot vstack, we can just stack those two arrays, either if you want in vertical or if you want in horizontal. For example, I'm going to write now np dot vstack. Vstack is the another function that is provided by the numpy. np.vstack, and okay, here this is the function, and inside this I need to give what are all the elements. That means this variable name, not the elements, this variable name that is in this common bracket, because it takes some other parameters. So we need to just give a comma b in another bracket. Now if I click enter, you can see now it is a vstack, that means vertically stacked. In the similar way, we can even use hstack, that means the horizontal stack, and a comma b. Now you can see it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, that means the continuous. We have a equals to 1 2 3 and b equals to 4 5 6, but here this is what the vstack and this is what the hstacks. Okay, this vstack is similar to concatenate. Okay, vertical means axis equal to 0. Concatenate, it is similar to I'm going to show that np dot concatenate concatenate np dot concatenate, and here it is a comma b and comma axis equals to 0, that we learned. Yeah, I think it is yeah, spelling is wrong, it is just conca, I think, yeah, conca and te, concatenate. Okay, concatenate a comma b and axis equals to 0. Now you can see it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Axis equal to 0 means, yeah, like this. If I told it reverse, and I'm sorry, if it is like axis equal to 0 means row wise, and axis equals to 1 means it's like column wise. So this one, axis equal to 0, this concatenate, this is similar to the np dot hstack. Here you can see that np dot hstack, these two are similar. And even we can np dot axis equals to 1. Okay, this is equals to what's that, np dot concatenate, will check a and b, a and b, yeah, np dot concatenate a comma b and axis equals to 1. What's it showing? Axis error, axis 1 is out of bounds for array of dimension 1. Yeah, actually here we can see the difference in np dot concatenate. If we concatenate these two things, then I cannot give the another axis. This is the main difference between this concatenate and the by using this hstack and the vstack. We may think like these are similar, but actually here we are, yeah, we are getting the live example for that. Here why it is giving error means we are just concatenating. What I am giving the command is to concatenate in the another dimension. That means this is a one dimension, but I am giving concatenate in another axis. That's why it is giving error. It is array of dimension 1, it is not a 2 dimension. But when we use the vstack, it will going to, it is similar to the, like it is concatenating, but in another dimension also it is giving. You can see that np dot vstack a comma b. Here you can see. Now if we for example c equals to, okay, I am just using some variable, what is that, np dot vstack. So c equals to np dot vstack. Now if I check the shape, c dot shape, okay, c dot shape, then we can see it is 2 comma 3. That means in it is the 2 dimension, and in that the first this the second dimension, in the view of second dimension, it consists of 2 elements, and in the first dimension it consists of 3 elements. like that. I think you have understood difference between the vstack, hstack, and the concatenation. Okay, then it comes like next one, splitting. Okay, splitting the things, splitting the elements, or not the elements, splitting the arrays. For example, if I have a equals to np dot, I think I have already, yeah, a is 1 2 3. Yeah, we will have some big array. So for that, a equals to np dot a r a and ge arrange, and here I'm going to use 20. That means it consists of the 20 elements. Now the a gets np dot arrange means it gets 0 1 2 3 4 until 19. And okay, then if I want to arrange this in like 2 rows and 10 columns, then I can directly use dot shape. Okay, no need to again re-give, that means again no need to give the another argument for this. That means again no any extra line we have to use. In this line only just type dot shape. Okay, dot shape, yeah, dot reshape. Okay, dot reshape, and here we need to specify how many dimension, that means rows and the columns, if we in 2 dimension and rows and the columns. For example, now I'm going to use that has to match the elements. Okay, otherwise it will give us the error. So dot reshape, and here I need to give 2 rows, that means like this 2 rows, and it has the 10 columns, so comma 10. Okay, now if you check the A, and then you can see it consists of the 2 rows and 10 columns. I think you understand about this, how to use this dot reshape directly in the same line. Okay, now if I want to split this array into different arrays, then I can just use hsplit, that is called as the np dot hsplit. Okay, so for example, array dot yeah, not array. Okay, this, the array name is a, so a dot h split. Split is the function which is provided by this numpy. So a dot hsplit, and yeah, we should not use a here, it is like np dot hsplit. Okay, remember that, np dot hsplit, and here we need to tell the which array we need to split, and comma, and we need to tell how many parts from this array we need to split. For example, I'm going to give 4. Now if I click the enter, what's this, array split does not result in an equal division. Yeah, if you give the 4, we'll check it is possible to 3. Yeah, we cannot split this into exactly 4 division, because here it consists of 1 2 3 4 5, it consists of the 10 columns. So if we split, if we divide 10 by 4, we get some fractions, so we cannot able to do that. I will just split into 2. Oh sorry, I'll just split into 2. Then you can see now this gets split into 2, that means 5 and 5. Here we have basically we have a equals to like this, and when I do np dot split a comma 2, then here you can see this is the one, this is the one array which consists of 0 1 2 3 4 and 10 11 12 13. That means it is going to split like 0 1 2 3 4. This much part is one array, that means 0 1 2 3 4, and this much part is the one array, and another, this is the another array. That means equally we split it, equally we split it. Now what if you want to split after some elements, that means after this I want till this, I want like this only. For example, this is okay, this is the first row and third column. So that means in technically it is 0 1 2 second column. So what I have to give means a and 2, okay, 2 comma, we'll check, we'll just provide that in brackets, and we will see here I want we will just give 0 comma, that means is the 0th row first row, 0 comma 2 we will give, we will see Yeah, now we can see 0 1 10 11. What it did, array of np dot split 0 comma 2. Okay, array of shape 2 comma 0, just leave this much, and here it will split it into two arrays, 0 1 10 11. That means 0 1 10 11, and this one, this much, that means 0 comma 2. We used 0 comma 2 means 0 and 0 1 till this much it gets splitted. Okay, where is that? Yeah, 0 1 10 11 gets splitted. Why the splitting is like this, that I am going to tell now. For example, if I want to split the array, okay, what I told means row and the column, but here what I'm going to do means that's just a wrong thing. That's not the row and the column. Remember, it is column and column. For example, if I have a equals to I'm going to show that again, a equals to np dot array. I think already we have. Yeah, okay. Now carefully observe. If I want to split the elements after this column, that means it is first, second, third, after third column and after the fourth column, then I can just use np dot split here 3 comma 4. Okay, then what it will going to do means yeah, here you can see it is array of 0 1 2 10 11 12 3 13 and 4 5 6 7 8 9 14 15 16 17 18 19. It's because here you can see 3 comma 4, that means this is the column 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, this is the column 3. After this column I'm splitting. So here what it means, okay, after 0 1 2 10 11 12, this much is get the one array grouped into the one array. Then I get 3 and 13 as the another group, that means 3 comma 4. This fourth column is grouped into the another, and remaining in this remaining, that will grouped to the array, another array. I think you understand about how to split in by using giving this in a tuple. Okay, 3 comma 4, or you can just split into the equivalent parts. This is not the equivalent part. If you want to split in unequal, then we have to use this. If you want to split in equal parts, then we have to use like this. Yeah, another important thing is that view in this numpy view, it is called as the view. Okay, view. That is here I have a equals to okay, here I just have a equals to array which consists of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now I will going to show some magic for you. Now what I will do means b equals to okay, I'm going to create the another that is another array from this a array. Okay, b equals to which is yeah, I'm going to use this slicing technique. So b equals to a of from 0 to 0 1 2 3 3. Okay, now if you check the value of b, it is 1 2 3 and a is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now what I will do means b is the no in the b I'm going to, okay, b is my array, yeah, 1 2 3. Now what I will do means I'm going to alter the one of the elements of the b. So b of 2, okay, b of 2 equals to 100. I'm going to do 100. Okay, now I will click the enter. Now if I check the value of b, it is 1 to 100, and when I check the value of a, it is 1 to 100 4 5 6. Why it affected the a, the array a? Because I changed here b of 2 equal to 100, but it also affected on a. Why this happens means this is called as the view in this numpy. Here we created the b equals to a of 0 to 3. That means we created the array b by using some slicing technique of this a array. For faster and for more efficient actions, what in this numpy will do means it will just display the 0 to 3. That means from 0th index to the 3rd index. it will just use those values from this same array. It will actually in memory it will not going to create the another set of values for this b. It is just taking that a value, and it is just like referenced to the these elements of the a. That's why when we change the value of bth array by using this index, it will going to even affect the a. So if you want to change only the b index, then we need to copy. That means now the a is 1 to 100 456. I need to copy this. So b equals to a dot copy. Okay, no, not like this. B equals to a dot copy. A dot copy. Now if I check the b, it is 1 to 100 456. When we use the copy, it will going to exactly produce the another set of data, so all these elements. Now if I do any operations on b of 3 equals to 200, then we can see the b value gets changed to 200, and inside the a it is 4. It is not going to affect the value of a. That's the main thing we need to consider while using the indexing or slicing anything in this array. I think I've understand about this. Thank you.